This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It's July 25th, 2018. This one here, I got a call for a water tank that's leaking. He said his son put the water tank in, and it's leaking from the connections on the top, starting to rust out. So we're on our way over there now. It's another homeowner special here. We'll see what's going on with it. The old homeowner special. 2 miles. Turn right on Elm Street. So he didn't put pipe dope on Teflon on there, and it's just rusting. He says it's two years old, the tank?
Yeah. 2 years old.
I got in Sears, and it was a hard time to
find.
Because now they no sell on Sears. I need to ordering and everything. I never should have bought on Sears no more.
Yeah, it might be.
Alright, so I could drain the water, cut it here, and back that out and put a brass nipple in there. I guess.
Okay.
I mean, I usually don't like doing... So who did this? Your son?
Yeah. He never thought about that because he knows how to do what this.
Yeah.
He's a master electrician. He do a lot of things. You see, the plumbers do a lot of things, but
He's not a plumber.
He's not a plumber.
All right, we'll see what we can do. We'll see if we can fix it.
Okay.
All right, I want you to go open up all the faucets in the house and leave them open. Flush all the toilets, open up everything. I'll drain some here. And we'll see if we can fix it. Okay? Open up all the faucets, everything. I'll bring a slip coupling in there in case I need a slip coupling. One's a repair and one's a regular coupling. We'll drain it down. We'll try to put a brass nipple in there for the guy. I mean, his son did it. Put a brass nipple in there. That'll work for now. We've got all kinds of different sizes in here and stuff. And I don't know what size that is, but I'm going to cut a little bit off the other one. I'm not too worried about it. That's probably the size we need right there. I'll drain some water out of the tank with this hose. We got this thing pretty hot here. We're gonna put this to pilot, and we'll drain some in the bucket there. Go easy with it. You got the water off anyway, yes. So but this way we could work on it. All right.
It's all the way up, off the drain.
Yeah, it's a little crusty looking. She's a little crusty.
Give him pills. He was worse.
They didn't know what the problem. Well, they thought it was a lupus, no? Did they think it was?
They didn't say it was lupus. They found out it was over here. Sometimes we say Boston. I went to Boston too. I have 2 operations in Boston.
Where'd you go to Boston? You go to the Holiday Inn or what?
I went to medical center. Medical center.
Mass General's the best, they say.
I don't know, because they said that one over there is the one they trained the doctors. I don't know. They treat me, for me, when I bang myself in the forehead, and all of a sudden, instead of in the morning, I spit a little bit blood. And I thought it was my lungs because I smoked before.
Bleeding in the head?
Clean. Huh?
How come you're bleeding there?
What happened? The blood, when I bang myself.
You bang yourself in the head?
Yeah, I bang myself in the head. And in the bathroom, the blood started coming up. When the doctor said that, they closed. He sent me to another doctor. He said, oh, it's not cancer. I went 6 months. I thought it was cancer. He said, oh, it's not cancer.
Good thing, huh?
Yeah. What happened? The blood stayed over here for, I think, it was 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah. But never hurt. All of a sudden, they hit we have a bone over here. Take the blood was over his stack. And he said,
like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to get that nipple out. I'm gonna try, but we'll see. I mean, this part's coming out, so that's good.
yeah.
It looks a little crusty to me. You got everything off, so hopefully.
Yeah. And they did this. They take to fill it up with the.
See if
see
hopefully this comes
iron
off. Hopefully this comes off. I don't know. I hope, because I don't really want to change this tank. I mean, don't get too close over here. I don't know, guy.
Look over here.
Not looking good for you. Let's. I could put a bigger wrench on there. Not looking good. I mean, I don't know how long it's been rusting for, but it's been a while.
I know I have the tank for 2 years.
Been leaking for 2 years. And it still ain't stopped. I don't know. When in doubt, put a bigger wrench on there, I guess, huh? Put a bigger. I don't know, man. She ain't looking good. She's a little crusty. She's a crusty one. I had a girlfriend like that, was a little crusty.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It was a little crusty.
You have a bigger wrench or you want a bigger wrench?
I don't think I could put a bigger one on there. I gotta... Let's see if it comes out. Yeah, it goes.
Okay.
Today's your lucky day.
Yeah. Thank God.
Today's your lucky day, man.
And what happened after the operation? I come home. I was in the bathroom. All of a sudden, the blood, because they don't put no stitching or nothing, some kind of glue. The blood started coming out.
Started
Really
bleeding?
bad.
Started bleeding from the head.
Yeah.
Not good.
All of a sudden, my wife gave me a towel. A towel, big towel, was all full of blood. But I was lucky. I remember I have in the corner, I have a spray to stop the blood. That's what he did. If I don't have that spray, I thought I was bleeding to death.
So what'd you do? Spray it up your nose?
Spray the cut over here.
Oh, the cut.
The
The
open.
cut. Oh, the cut above your eye. Yeah.
And I sprayed that thing. That's what he stopped the blood.
Oh, okay. So like a liquid Band-Aid.
Yeah. And I went back to Boston, and they fixed that up again.
Unbelievable, huh?
Yeah. I went through a few things already. The first one was a big one.
So next time your son wants to do plumbing, you better tell him to stick to washing windows.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. And
This is a Sears tank.
I still have pain. I need to take painkillers since 2017.
She's a leaker.
2007.
She's a leaker.
Oh
See
yeah.
if we can get another nipple that size. I think I got one.
I have one over here. I don't know if it's any good. This one.
What? No, this is the same size. This is just brass. This is fine. That one's too short.
And
You're gonna be one of them guys you buy the parts and want me to put it in, huh?
no, I have this since I have a lot of pipes in the thing because I work.
Them guys you're gonna buy the parts want me to put it in. Price goes up.
To tell you the truth, for me, that's why I call you. I called one time years ago. Root Runner.
Root Runner.
I think it's Root Runner, that company.
Roadrunner?
Yeah,
The Roadrunner?
yeah. I called one time. He almost. I need to sell the house to pay him.
Rotor-Rooter.
Rooter, yeah.
Rooter-Rooter.
Yeah, that was maybe 20 years ago. No more.
Rotor-Rooter.
Yeah, I told him I said to myself, no more.
Yeah, they're expensive, huh?
Yeah, that's why I call you when I need something.
Yeah.
But
I thought you said Roadrunner. I thought you were talking about the...
Ruder, yeah. That's why I have your number over there. You see the tag over there you left? That's why I call.
Roadrunner and Tweety, isn't that it?
Yeah. I have your number over there. You have a tag you left. But I'm sorry, I've been having so many calls. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, I called yesterday and your wife says, wrong number. She hung up on me. It's like, I called back a second time. She hung up on me a second time.
Yeah,
it's like,
she told the guy called twice. He said, the next time, give it to me.
The next time she's going to call the cops on me. So I said, I guess this guy don't want his plumbing fixed. Believable.
First there's a girl, and after there's a guy calling you over here. Oh, you need to call because you owe a lot of money to...
This thing is like, I'll probably cut it, put it on after, because it's hard to get on.
You owe money to URS, you need to call us to fix that up and everything.
Oh, yeah, they're trying to scam you, huh?
Yeah. But I have these calls maybe 5, 6 times a day.
Really?
Sometimes it's a guy, sometimes it's a girl.
5, 6 times?
Yeah. From the same number, to call back. The next time I'm going to answer, I say, yo, my lawyer's going to call you.
Why don't you just block them? Just block the number. You can't?
No.
How come?
I don't know. He called in my, I don't know how to do it in my regular phone.
Where's the guy come from? India?
I don't know. One calls is the woman. She don't talk good English. She looks some like probably from India or so.
Oh, India. Yeah.
And my friend is getting the same calls.
She's gonna sell you a cow, you know. Over there, the cows are holy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They keep calling. Sometimes it's a guy, sometimes it's a man.
They call and try to sell me solar panels from India.
Oh yeah?
They're gonna sell me solar panels. It's like, really?
Oh yeah, they call me too.
From India. They're gonna sell me solar panels.
And this guy's right over here. They don't realize this guy's over here if you wanna buy.
Yeah.
This guy's right on town. The solar panels over there in
Unbelievable.
at the Way Road. When you go down, where it was a lot of the inn before.
She's a leaker. She's a leaker.
Oh, there's a lot of guys try to to get her back. A lot of people goes. A friend of us went for. She sent the guy $900.
For what?
I don't know. They call us her for something. Oh, we're gonna do this.
$900 for what, Mama?
Yeah, but she was so stupid. They sent, and after they asked for 2,000. That's when she noticed it was a scam.
Oh, your wife?
No, not my wife, because I told her already. We don't give money to nobody.
What
It's
about
not like you are?
You give the money. You give the money to the plumber, though.
Yeah. The government wanted nothing to do with you. They come and they send you a letter. They don't give you a phone call.
Right. Yeah, they send you a letter. The IRS.
Yeah. They don't call you.
No. Well, you gotta watch them scams. I mean, there's a lot of that.
Oh, but a lot of people go for that one went for $900. She lived close to Boston. My friend is the one. Is her friend is the one who told me. He went for $900, and after when they asked him for 2,000, that's why she thought was a scam. Yes.
Well, I did shut the water off to the unit because it was starting to get a little full there.
What?
Oh man.
All the water shut off.
Yeah, no, I'm just talking to myself.
Oh.
All that money I got in the bank.
Okay. When they call you, should send them a couple thousand.
Yeah, I can get a regular coupling in there, it looks like. Let me get it in here. I'll give it the old Gundy. See if we can sort that out for the guy, and it should be alright now.
How long have you been a plumber?
35 years.
35 years?
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, my son have a big contract in Boston. Couldn't do it no more. He have 3 or 4 guys working for him. But with the lupus and the kidney stones, he wasn't
So
going
them
to...
kidney stones are bad, huh? I've never had one. I've never had a kidney.
You wish you never have one.
Never had a kidney stone.
And I hope you never have it because
They're that bad,
it's
huh?
the worst thing you can have. Oh,
Really?
yeah. It make you sweat and pass out. I have one that was a little one. Little one. And I have a big operation. The pain for the kidney stone.
Make you pass out?
Yeah.
That much, the pain? Passed out, huh?
The worst thing you can have in your life.
All right, go shut all the faucets off, and we'll turn the water back on and see if it leaks. Go shut all the faucets off.
All the faucets is off.
I thought I told you to open them.
Oh, no.
Didn't I tell you to open up all the faucets?
Oh, yeah, it's open. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, go close them all, and then I'll turn the water back on.
You wanna I close it?
Close the faucet so I can turn the water back on. No, make sure this is off good, which it is. You got all the faucets off, right? You want to go run the hot water in the shower?
Yeah.
Go run the hot water in the shower to get the air out of the tank. Put the hood back on. It should be alright. This side don't seem to be leaking. Yeah, good thing you didn't call Roadrunner. I mean, he would have really spanked you. Roto-Rooter, you mean? Them guys,
What
yeah.
they put was that.
Yeah,
See
them
that pipe
Roto-Rooter.
over there? Over there. The new one.
The new what?
The big one.
The PVC?
pipe.
Yeah, the 3-inch
You
there?
see the curve over here?
Oh, up top there, yeah. Up there?
Yeah.
How much?
I pay over almost $400.
What, to put the new pipe for the toilet?
Yeah.
400?
Yeah.
That ain't too bad. You think I should have been less?
I think so. The time I'm talking about 20 years ago.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe.
Maybe now, all right, but not 20.
All right, so go ahead and run the water in the shower. Once the air comes out and it's running, you got good water flow, shut it off. I just want to get the air out of the tank. All right, so that's it. She's tight, no leaks. Be all right. This is a dielectric nipple, but that's a brass one. They'll be fine. Done that plenty of times. No leaks. So, his son hooked up the water tank. He didn't put enough pipe dope or Teflon on the thread. And it's been leaking for a couple of years, so we just put a brass one in there and it's fine. It worked fine. She's a little crusty looking. She's a crusty one. She's a little crusty one.